Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start with a new topic of political science from chapter 2 and that is in book 2, that is the era of single party or one party dominance. Now this one party dominance is basically termed to be as Congress party because it ruled for many years. And now we will go through some points and these are important for your exams. Now first point goes, Election Commission of India was set up in January 1950. Okay. Sukumar Sen became the first chief election commissioner. So here goes 2 points. Now these 2 points will become for 1 mark each. Now 2 requirements to hold election in a country. So what are the 2 requirements? First is drawing the boundaries of the electoral constituencies. Boundary should be made. Second point goes, electoral rolls, all the distribution of all the citizens eligible to vote. So the voter list should be prepared on the basis of 21 plus age groups. So the voter list should be prepared. Now we will continue with the first general election, October 1951 to February 1952. This was a term at that time, first general election held. In the first general election, there were 17 crore eligible voters who had to elect about 3,200 MLAs and 489 members of the Lok Sabha. Okay. Now only 15% of the eligible voters were literate. So 2 crore people was illiterate among 17 crore people. The electoral constituencies trained over 3 lakh officers and polling staffs to conduct the elections. So they were being trained, 3 lakh officers and polling staffs. Next point goes, the election was also the first big test of democracy in a poor and illiterate country. So it was a very big test for a democratic country. Okay. Now, till then, democracy had existed in Western countries where nearly everyone was literate. Okay. Now by that time, many countries Europe had not given voting rights to all women. So the election was very bold and risky. Okay. So I hope you have understood through the points. Now this was the criteria of first general election. Now we come to another question, how first general election became a landmark in history of democracy. How it became landmark, how remarkable it was. Now election was competitive very much. The level of participation was encouraging. When the result was declared, these were accepted as far by the losers also. Losers also accepted it. So the competition was so much encouraging and the election was so much competitive that losers also accepted their failure. The nation experiment has proved critics wrong. So critics also proved to be wrong because they thought that India cannot hold an election because it is a poor and illiterate country, but the critics also failed of their proved and the election was being very much successful there. So this was the points which shows competitiveness of India. You have understood the video content from this video. Now in the next day I will go through the other points. So thank you students.